Today I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your WordPress website. After this, you will have to enter an OTP to log into your WordPress site's dashboard. So if I currently log into my website, if I click on login, then right now it did not ask me for any OTP code. It directly got me into the WordPress dashboard. So to enable two-factor authentication to your WordPress website, go to plugins, add new. From here select WP, just type over here WP2FA. Now install this plugin. Once you activate this plugin, you will be in this setup wizard. Over here click on let's get started. Now here you will have to choose the type of two-factor authentication you want to use. So with the first type, the plugin will send a code to your mobile phone which you will have to enter. With the second, which is HOTP, with this the plugin will send you a code at your email which you will then have to enter at the login page. And over here you can also select some backup codes. So today I will be showing you how to do it with the mobile method, because with email there can be some reliability and deliverability issues. So we don't want to take any risks. So select the first option which says TOTP over here. Then click on continue setup. Now over here you will have to select whether you want to enforce two-factor authentication for all the users of your websites or for some. This is applicable if you have a multi-user website. So we will select do not enforce here. Now you can give users a grace period before they have to enable two-factor authentication for their accounts. So we will set it to the default 3 days and let's click on all done. Now we have almost configured the plugin. Over here click on configure 2FA now. Now the plugin will lead you to your profile page in WordPress and you will see this pop up. Here you will have to select the 2FA method for your own account. So WP2FA supports a lot of two-factor authentication apps. We have apps like Authy, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Duo, LastPass, etc. So for this tutorial, I'll be choosing Microsoft Authenticator. Now our work on the computer is almost done. We now need to jump over to our mobile phone. So let's go to our mobile phone now. So now I am in my phone's Google Play Store. Over here search for the app. For this tutorial I am using Microsoft Authenticator. Now install that app. Once the app is installed, click on open. Now agree to the privacy policy and now you will be on this page. Over here you have to select the option which says scan a QR code. Scan the QR code with WP2FA provided us on our profile page. Now our two-factor authentication is set up. I've scanned our QR code. So over here click on I am ready. Now we will have to enter one OTP from the app which we have just installed. So open Microsoft Authenticator on your phone and now enter the OTP. It shows you quickly over here. And now click on validate and save configuration. Now we are all set. Now we can close this wizard. Now two-factor authentication has been enabled. So let me sign out and show it to you again over here. Now I'll just sign into the site. Now click on login. Now see, it is asking for an authentication code over here. So I'll open Microsoft Authenticator and enter the code. And now I'll click on login. And see, here we are. So that was how to enable two-factor authentication in WordPress. This leads to greater security of your website. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more content just like this.